What's up, all my beautiful YouTube people? Gonna do some unboxings today. As you see, I got my new makeup in by Tarte. Let's start with a small box first, and then we'll get into the big boy here. Nice packaging. United States Postal Service. They seem to get it to me okay. As you guys know, every YouTube person has a famous box opener. This will be mine. Let's go ahead and get her on open here. I think that was it. That was easy. Look at that. It is beautifully packaged. Be brave and make waves. That's kind of cool. Set that off to the side here. We will, let me get a stool so I can sit my ass down. Very nice packaging. Let's see what kind of goodies. I'll save this to the side here. It's also a coupon. I'll open this up here. Got a nice, beautiful packaging here. Let's see. These are my, got some a Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Foundation, matte. Comes in a selection of colors here, just in case. You know, however I'm feeling for the day, of course. Then I got my Mer Mist, my sparkly Mer Mist. You gotta be sparkly, gotta be popping, Set that off to the side here. Then I also have my my eye treatment. My eye treatment. You guys see the bag's under my eyes. I haven't had any eye treatment for a while. Set that right there. You guys can see it. And my man, seems like I forgot what I ordered. My brown eye gel. Gotta have that eye gel. Gotta get those brows popping, you know what I'm saying? And let's see here. Got some concealer because I know what this does, so I need it. So there we go. So those things. It's nicely packaged. Look for a future review when I make myself pretty. So we'll take these things away and package them back up here, and we'll open the big boy. I think this is packaged like this, kinda like that, maybe. And I'll put that in here. Very nice. Other than the packaging looks good, but I think it also kind of protects the stuff from getting bumping around, because it doesn't look like anything's broken, but I didn't open anything, so. There you go. Open the second box now. Oh, let's hide that so you guys don't know where I live. And there's my famous opening tool here. Splice her open. Alrighty. I know you guys are just seeing a box right now, but I'll let you guys see it here. There we go. Nice little packaging so it doesn't get all broken. And I don't know what the heck this is. This is my Mer-Makeup. Dang. That's gonna be a lot of makeup. It's easily gonna last me a couple weeks. Alright. Let you guys literally get the first look at it. Don't want everything to fall out here, so I'll show you guys. Nice, beautiful packaging. See here. Oh. this here. Certainly, packaging might be a little overkill here, but got my, my glitter, and I got my super lashes, and I guess the theme on here is glitter. Mermaid jewels, got my mermaid jewels, so I can put those around my nipples. So, that'd be kind of cool. Is there more to this? Or is there just kind of like that? Let me see here. That can't be all. That would be way overkill pack. Oh, there's like a little bow here. What the heck does that do? Does this open up more? Dude, if I was a girl, this looks like cool. Look at this. Hopefully nothing falls out here. Look at this. Are you kidding me? This is a multi-layer pack. Look at that. This is a little big to hold around. Let me take some stuff out and show you guys. I'll keep it in the background so you guys can see it here. Check out these brushes. Those are some gnarly brushes. They look like little fish. Question for you: if you got a mermaid, is it mermaid parts or is it female parts down there? I always wondered. Look at that. That brush is super soft. Oh man, that's soft. Girls get all like cool stuff. We just get like, really, there's not even any cool guy stuff. Let's open up this clamshell looking deal here. That looks kind of cool. That looks like something you find at the bottom of the ocean. Let's open it up here. Oh man. Look at that. Got a little plastic thing over it, and look at all that stuff. Perfect. Got Cliff walking in, don't mind him. Put this little clear thing back over. Pretty snazzy.
You doing video?
Yeah, I'm doing a little
FaceTime?
Not FaceTime. Just doing a little show and tell.
Pretty cool, huh?
You got to tell them what kind of sandwich it is, though. Oh, they're not going to know.
This is Italian. This is an Italian sandwich. This is very good, really good. And this is
that the first time you've had that sandwich?
Today.
Today,
yeah.
Okay.
And here's some. This is
you got to show the viewers.
This is the pièce de résistance, and then this is called mayonnaise, and it comes in these handy pouches like this, little packs. It's a single serving. I wish it was a little bit bigger than this, but two is too many.
You can get multiples.
Yeah, but see, two is too much. I could throw them up, but I don't want to be wasteful. And then I got one last thing, but it's the real thing, and it's a Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola Zero.
What kind is that? Zero?
It's a Coca-Cola Zero.
Zero?
It is
so
zero.
Is that like a mix of a diet and a regular?
No, it's a 5 minus 5.
Okay.
That makes it a 0.
All right.
Okay, well, nice talking to you all, and I wish only the best. This is really snazzy thing here you got. Looks like it was more. It costs more, and the box costs more than the actual products that are in it.
Well, I don't know that to be true or not.
Oh, it must be like a real expensive thing then. It looks like a lot of gimmicks.
I think we're done here.
It's like gimmickry.